Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can set your default account, whether you want your team or personal account within Command to be set as the default. So we're going to log into Command, which is agent.kw.com, and basically setting your default account is what is going to pull up first when you first log in. So ours is currently set to our personal, so we can switch in between our teams by clicking our name and then switch over to our team account right here. We can also go there, and that'll allow us to switch between the two. And then once we're in there, we can switch to our personal. But how we're going to change that is we're going to again click the drop down menu under our name, navigate down to settings, and under general settings, you'll see default account. Now this only applies if you are on a team. So if you are not on a team, you will only see your personal account appear right here, and you won't be able to make these changes. But if you are on a team, you can just click right here and select the team or the account you want to have selected whenever you log into Command. And then you would just click Save Changes down here. And next time you log into Command, it's going to automatically bring you to that right there. And we can switch between the two. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out.